Guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you one excellent face pack cum toner for skin whitening and brightening, and also it will make your skin tighten, and it is having natural collagen also that will keeps our skin bright and radicals free, and also orange will fight with the radicals and shows the production of wrinkles and stop premature aging, and orange have high content of citric acid which aids in skin exfoliation and helps to dry out acne, improving overall look in your skin. So here I am going to take just orange peel, not orange, and I will wash this one first. We don't want orange, we want only orange peel for this remedy. Second ingredient is here lemon. I am not going to take lemon. I am going to take lemon zest, which is lemon peel. Lemon is full of vitamin C that makes our skin brighten, and skin helps to reduce age spots, and also it is full of vitamin C. It stimulates the production of collagen, and which can turns to help in firm skin, and it is having full of citric acid. Citric acid helps to keep our skin rejuvenate and slowing away dead cells. So now I am going to grind this both the ingredients. See guys, I have grinded finely. Now I am going to take extract from it. Guys, I have strained this lemon and orange peel. Here I am having extract. So now first of all I am going to make toner with this. For that I required rose water. Rose water has been used as a beauty product. Rose water has been used as a beauty product for thousands of years. So it's no surprise that it can improve your complexion and reduce skin redness. It is having antibacterial properties that may help to reduce acne. It is having anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce the redness and puffiness. So here I am going to add 2 to 3 spoon of rose water to make it a toner. One, two, and three. So mix both these ingredients well, because it should be watery. Toners are like that only. You should not make it thick. Last but not least, here I am going to add vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that may be effect at the reducing UV damage in skin, and vitamin E is applied topically may be helpful, nourishing, and protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. So here I am going to take 3 vitamin E capsules. If you are not having this one, if you are having oil also, you can take it 1 full spoon of vitamin E oil. So mix all these ingredients well. Transfer it into a spray bottle, and then our toner is ready. So now we are going to make a face pack. For that, here I am having, which I have grinded, this one. In this I am going to add. So my next ingredient is corn flour. I have told you already guys, whichever things we are using, we have to strain, we have to wash it, and we have to use it, because worms will be there in the flours. So here I am taking 1 spoon of flour. I am going to strain it, because maybe I don't like to do it anything as it is. So corn flour contains a reasonable amount of protein that helps to boost collagen and prevent the sign of skin aging. Vitamin A present in corn flour, which will fade brown spots and then sunspots, and as well as the dark patches also. The minerals and amino acids keep the skin healthy and vibrant and smooth. My next ingredient is honey. Honey is one of the nature's most revered skin remedy. Thanks. It is having antibacterial and antiseptic properties. It may benefit oily and acne prone skin also. So here I am taking 1 spoonful of honey. Honey is having natural humectant that keeps our skin's moisture and but not oily. Okay. So mix 3 of the ingredients well. So last but not least, I am going to add. Last but not least, here I am going to take wild turmeric. Wild turmeric is known as is known to have antibacterial properties due to the presence of certain bioactive ingredients. Regular application of wild turmeric will keep our skin, reducing dark circles and blemishes, acne, improving complexion, and providing soft and glowing skin, as well as facial hairs also. So here I am going to take 1/4 spoon of wild turmeric. So mix all these ingredients well. See guys, I have mixed all these ingredients well. Mixing is the main important part of home remedies. If you are not mixing all the ingredients or as it is, you will not get the best result. So now I will tell you how you have to use this. So here I am having toner and here I am having a pack. So first of all, you have to wash your face and then apply this pack on your face and neck. If you want to apply on your hands and feet also, you can apply, and then leave it for minimum 30 minutes and let it be dry, and then you have to wash it off. And after washing, apply any of the moisturizer, and then for this toner you have to wash your face and just spray it on your face, and then see how it looks, how your face is going to be bright. And you can store this toner for minimum 7 to 8 days in a refrigerator. Transfer it into a spray bottle and then keep it for 7 to 8 days. I know there will be lot of disturbance because I have children. My children are in holidays. Sorry for that guys. I hope you all like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you. Bye bye.